Many people are surprised to learn that a simple bottle of vinegar can save them a significant amount of money in dishwasher maintenance. In fact, using vinegar as a cleaning solution can extend the life of your appliance and reduce the likelihood of costly repairs. For many households, the dishwasher is an indispensable tool, simplifying the often tedious task of cleaning up after meals. However, like any appliance, dishwashers can develop problems over time, leading to unpleasant odors, unsightly buildup, and decreased efficiency. These issues can be frustrating, but they are often easily remedied with a natural, eco-friendly solution. Vinegar. Unpleasant odors are one of the most common complaints among dishwasher owners. It's not uncommon for food particles to become trapped in the crevices of the machine, leading to a musty smell that can linger long after the dishes have been washed. This odor can be particularly noticeable when the dishwasher is opened, leaving users feeling embarrassed when guests are over, or even reluctant to use the appliance altogether. Additionally, mineral buildup from hard water can create a film on the interior surfaces of the dishwasher, resulting in unsightly stains and potentially affecting the performance of the machine. Over time, this buildup can lead to inefficiency, meaning your dishwasher has to work harder and longer to get the job done, ultimately increasing your energy bills. Fortunately, vinegar offers a simple and effective solution to these common problems. This humble kitchen staple is not only a powerful cleaning agent, but also an eco-friendly alternative to commercial cleaning products that often contain harsh chemicals. Using vinegar to clean your dishwasher is not only safe for the environment, but it's also easy on your wallet. All you need is a bottle of white vinegar and a few simple steps to restore your dishwasher to its former glory. To begin the cleaning process, gather your materials. You will need a bottle of white vinegar, a measuring cup, and a sponge or cloth for any additional scrubbing that may be necessary. Start by emptying your dishwasher completely, ensuring that there are no dishes or utensils left inside. This will allow you to thoroughly clean the interior without any obstructions. Next, check the dishwasher's filter, which is usually located at the bottom of the appliance. Remove the filter and rinse it under warm water to remove any debris or buildup. If the filter is particularly dirty, you may want to scrub it gently with a sponge and a bit of vinegar to ensure it's completely clean. Once the filter is rinsed and reinstalled, it's time to move on to the main cleaning process. Pour about 2 cups of white vinegar into a measuring cup and place it on the top rack of your empty dishwasher. Close the door and run a hot water cycle. The vinegar will be released during the wash, helping to dissolve any mineral deposits and eliminate odors. As the dishwasher runs, the steam created will help to loosen any remaining grime and buildup, making the cleaning process even more effective. For those who want to take their cleaning a step further, you can also add a cup of baking soda to the bottom of the dishwasher after the vinegar cycle is complete. Run another hot water cycle, and the combination of vinegar and baking soda will work wonders, leaving your dishwasher sparkling clean and fresh-smelling. The baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, helping to scrub away any stubborn stains while neutralizing odors. Many users have shared their positive experiences after using vinegar to clean their dishwashers. One homeowner reported a dramatic reduction in odors after just one cleaning cycle, noting that the musty smell that had lingered for months was finally gone. Another user mentioned that their dishwasher was no longer leaving residue on their dishes, a problem they had attributed to hard water buildup. After using vinegar, they noticed a significant improvement in the cleanliness of their dishes, and they felt more confident in the performance of their appliance. The visible benefits of using vinegar extend beyond just odor elimination and improved cleaning. Regularly cleaning your dishwasher with vinegar can also enhance its efficiency. When your dishwasher operates at peak performance, it uses less energy and water, which can lead to lower utility bills. Additionally, by preventing the buildup of grime and mineral deposits, you can help extend the lifespan of your appliance, saving you money in the long run. In summary, cleaning your dishwasher with vinegar is a simple, cost-effective, and eco-friendly solution to common problems such as unpleasant odors, buildup, and inefficiency. By following a few easy steps, removing debris from the filter, running a hot water cycle with vinegar, and potentially adding baking soda, you can restore your dishwasher to optimal condition. The benefits are clear: a fresher smelling appliance, cleaner dishes, and improved efficiency, all while saving money on maintenance and repairs. So why not take action today? Grab that bottle of vinegar from your pantry and give your dishwasher the cleaning it deserves. With just a little effort, you can enjoy a sparkling, clean appliance that works efficiently and smells fresh, transforming your kitchen experience for the better. Don't wait for unpleasant odors or inefficiency to disrupt your daily routine. Embrace the power of vinegar and make your dishwasher shine.